Looking for expert dryer vent cleaning in Lake Worth Beach, Florida? We're here to help keep your home safe and efficient. Did you know that clogged dryer vents are one of the leading causes of household fires? Regular cleaning can protect your home, reduce energy costs, and improve dryer performance. At Dryer Vent Wizard, we offer professional dryer vent cleaning services tailored to meet your needs in Lake Worth Beach, Florida. Our team ensures your dryer operates safely and efficiently. Our services are designed to eliminate risks, save you money, and extend the life of your dryer. Let us handle the dirty work. Getting started is easy. Just call us at 561-894-0010 and schedule your dryer vent cleaning service today. Don't wait to make your home safer and more energy efficient. Call Dryer Vent Wizard at 561-894-0010 or visit dryerventwizard.com/locations/Delray-Beach-Boynton-Beach to schedule your Lake Worth Beach dryer vent cleaning today.